What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, party people? Welcome to the party. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Tonyanicole, and welcome, my loves. Today, guys, we're going to be unboxing the box by Fashionsta. This is the June's box. We got it within the month. What? So you guys are interested in seeing what's in June's the box? Stay put. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know that it's free, right? Yeah. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Tonyanicole. If you're oldie but goodie, hey boo, girl, how you doing? Today, guys, we have the box by Fashionsta. I'm excited to unbox this one because it finally came on time, and I'm excited to see. This has become one of my favorite boxes, so I'm very excited to open it and see what we got for this month. Before we go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Y'all know I appreciate you all tremendously. Excuse the noise, guys. I'm drying clothes and it's raining, so we're gonna try to push through this video real quick. Yeah, I don't have a drink, y'all. I'm so sorry, but y'all take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh, okay, just a quick little announcement. So I'm not sure about next week's videos just yet. I am going to be certified as a sexual assault nurse examiner. So I'll be taking my test for that. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit unboxings in or makeup, whatever. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a video for next week. I will try, guys. So, you know, keep your fingers crossed for me. Pray that I do pass my exam so I can become a certified sexual assault nurse. I'm happy about that, guys. I really am. So keep me in your prayers, guys. Is that all? Oh, girl. So I'm also going to be I'm still going to be doing unboxings on this channel, but I'm going to be going in a little bit of a different direction just so that I can, you know, appeal to more people. I'm going to be doing like some vlogging, and it's not going to be like your typical, oh, I have to sit and do emails. Oh, no, it's going to be like a day in the life of Tonyanicole. So y'all can see like the funny antics and all of the things that I do, you know, for the most part. I'm a boring person, y'all, but some days be really lit, and I don't want you guys to miss it. I know a couple guys told me that they don't watch vlogs, but I do hope that you will check your girl out. That's it. Yes. So, oh, I hope you guys have been enjoying my unboxings. I just unboxed BoxyCharm. I'm not sure where my premium box is, but I wish they hurry up and send it so that I can get that over with, and let's go. This is a beauty subscription, guys. It is $24.99 per month plus free shipping. You're supposed to receive 5 to 7 full-size products in this box, and it has an average value of around $100 to $150. I do have a link down in the description that will save you some money off. So without further ado, let's get this box on and pop in. Boo. A dance break and a drink break. Ah! That's what she's looking like on the inside, guys. We do get a little card each month, and the theme for the month is, oh, be youthful. Wait, be beautiful. Ah, be beautiful. That is cute. Be you, be true. And on the back, they give us products and description and prices, and y'all know I'm gonna go through that with you guys. So let's get this show on the road. The first product up is from Nuria, and this is a skin shielding essence. That's what the box looks like right there, my loves. You get 50 milliliters of product in here. And let me just read from the card. So it says, formulated with plant-based extracts to strengthen your skin's natural defenses. It's vegan and cruelty-free. This retails for $36, guys. So it's a skin shielding cream. Let's open this so I can see what it looks like. I'm gonna read a little bit off the back because I'm not really sure. Gently apply to your face and neck. Oh, it's like a moisturizer, guys, like a skin shielding moisturizer. Oh, look at that. It is so beautiful. Okay, it has ginseng and carob that is found in Asia, and you know that gives, you know, the forever young type of look. And it's like a gel. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, yeah, it smells good too. It's a nice, clean fresh scent. Okay, I like it. Okay, so 36 buckaroos for this first product. All right, next up is from Levito. And this is an Age Away Hydrating Cream. Now, I know we got this before in BoxyCharm. You get 50 milliliters of product in here, and it's for dry, mature skin. Y'all think the box trying to say I got dry, mature skin? Girl. It's gonna firm, hydrate, and repair. Let's read off the card. It balances the skin's moisture levels, improves skin texture and tone, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a healthy glow. It's $55, guys, for this, and it's an Age Away Hydrating Cream. 55 bucks. I can't remember what BoxyCharm's price was. If y'all remember, babe, drop down in the comments and let me know. So this is how it looks, a little squeezy tube. I'm sure it has a safety seal. It does. So we won't open this, but we got another like hydrating age cream. I'm here for the age creams, boo. Next up, we have from Floss, and this is what? Okay, that's what the box looks like right there. And this is a lip advocate, a sheer lip tint formulated with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. Use it alone or for a soft wash of buildable color, or apply it over your favorite lip product for a subtle sheen. This is $18, loves, and let's see what it's looking like. I do love Floss's products. Oh, okay, so it looks like this right out of the package, and then when you open it, it's like this big giant crayon that you can screw all the way up and down. I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, so it's like literally like a lip tint, like that. See if you could build it. Okay, it builds a little bit. All right, now this I probably would wear like at night, because this color is kind of pinkish for me, but I'm happy to see it. I always need a lip hydrator. I be having dry lips, y'all. I mean, it is ridiculous. While I'm looking for my next product, why don't you go on and take a drink, babe? A dance break and a drink break. Hey, hey, ooh, 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 ooh. Girl. All right, so from Makeup Geek, we have this purple eyeliner pencil. That's our next product. And ooh, I love Makeup Geek. This is $7. You're gonna apply this effortlessly with a velvety smooth application that lasts up to 8 hours with no sharpener ever needed. Waterproof and transfer proof, $7, guys. I don't know where I got $18 from. $7. And let's go ahead and open it. Now, I do love when they send like colored liners, because black is always good, but I love a good color liner. And ooh, it's nice and buttery. Look at that purple. Ooh, girl. Let's build that up a little bit. 8 hours, okay? I love it. And you don't need a sharpener because you can screw it up and down. Love it. Then we have from Cutie Oils. Love the packaging. This just says Tonyanicole. Like, y'all see that, and y'all should say Tonyanicole on here. Girl. All right, so this is from Cutie Oils, and this is in the shade Mia. This retails for $22. Help restore brittle nails. Oh, it's for your nails. Cool. Help restore brittle nails back to health. Nourish your cuticles and nails with this mixture of coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, and you know what it is, Jojoba. I can never say it. Oil, vegan and cruelty free, and it retails for $22. Okay, so I'm really excited now, y'all, because I need a cuticle oil. My nails, since I've been doing like press-ons, have been kind of brittle underneath, so I need a good old cuticle oil. Oh, it doesn't have a scent, but we're gonna put some in our cuticles. I love the little applicator, love that. And I'm looking forward to it. I put it on the tips of my nails. They're growing out, guys. These are press-ons that I made, and I've been having them on for almost 2 weeks, and look at them. They're like growing out. So I'm gonna use this little cuticle oil. Okay. Alrighty, and this is what? 22 bucks. All right, guys, so last up, we have a palette. And this one is from Ace Beauty. It is the Vintage Dawn palette. Now, I know I have this palette around here somewhere, so I'm not going to swatch this one. I don't know where my other one is, though. But I do remember getting this in BoxyCharm. Was it BoxyCharm? Yes, I think it was BoxyCharm. I think it was a choice item. So let's see. Ooh, yeah, that's the packaging right there. When we open this baby, oh, girl, Lord. We get a mirror. Hey, boo. All right. And, yep, that's just how I remember. Those are the shades. It's like a sun just rising and setting. Doesn't it look so pretty? Love this blue. Love these, you know, orange and yellow colors. These are beautiful, beautiful shades. I know I have one, guys. I cannot locate it right now, but I'm not going to swatch this one because I'll put it in the giveaway, but it is definitely a beautiful palette. And this right here, my loves, retails for $35. Okay, friends, that was our final product, girl. What y'all thought? We're going to do a quick recap. We're going to do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Ace Beauty this Vintage Dawn palette. From Nuria, the Skin Defense Gel. From Cutie Oils, this cuticle oil. From Makeup Geek, this purple eyeliner. From Floss, this lip hydrator. And from Levito, this Age Away Hydrating Cream. So these 6 products right here, my loves. And the total for this month's box was $173. Okay, so it was over what we're supposed to get at $150, so that makes me very excited. Let's do some final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this box is, y'all, I'm telling you, the box is really the way to go. It is a really good subscription. I love that their products are clean and vegan. I love that they're a charitable box. I love that they introduced me to so many new products, and I actually grow to love and have repurchased products from the brands that they have shown me. I love the box. I think it's a nice balance of a little bit of everything to keep everybody happy. And this is exactly what I like to see. So I really like the box, my loves. Yes, like I really am looking forward to that cuticle oil, girl. I know. Out of all the stuff in the box, huh? I know. I'm so strange. But yes, my loves, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it to Stranger Things. To 5B, this box is thebomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying, baby. Your girl, Tonyanicole, is going to give this a solid 3.5 to 4 for June. I love the box. I thought it was really good. I love the products, and I cannot wait to use them. So make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're subscribed to this box, because if you're not, you need to. I do have a link down below that will save you some money. I make nothing off of it. So, yes, check them out, guys. Oh, and I also want to let you guys know, I'm putting a lot on my plate, y'all. Already I don't have a lot of time, but I think one fun element that I can add to my channel, maybe once every couple months, would be like a podcasty type thing with my sister and my mom, where we just pick topics. Probably gonna be topics that make both my mom and my sister uncomfortable, which is gonna be hilarious. So I'm thinking of adding that maybe like once every 2 or 3 months. I don't know. We're still working on the details, but let me know what you think. That's all I have, my loves. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please stop what you're doing and do so now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I have a TikTok now, which I will start doing TikTok videos as well. I'm excited about that. All of those links will be down below, loves. Look, that's it. I have been talking too much. My mouth is dry, and it's Saturday, babe. So we need to go have some day drinking, right? All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the comments and on the next video. Love you dearly. Bye.